channel. This is my very first natural hair tutorial. I'm so excited to be doing this for you guys. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Drop your comments down below. I want to know what you guys are thinking of my tutorial so far, how I'm doing explaining it to you guys. If you're understanding anything, or if you're not understanding anything, you can comment and I'll answer it right away. So I'm going to start by moisturizing my hair with a couple different products. The first one being All Natural Hair and Scalp Food by Tracy's Velvet. I like it because it's a good oil and my hair doesn't take moisture well, so I need something heavier, and that's pretty good for it. So here I'm just spreading all of that throughout my hair and just massaging it in through the ends, and I'm not doing it any particular way. I usually do like praying hands or something when I detangle my hair, but since this is a quick and easy hairstyle, I'm not going to do all of that. So I'm just fluffing it up and getting it into position. The next one I'll be using is the oil moisturizer with aloe. It comes in like a hair lotion bottle, and it's pretty good for moisturizing my ends, so I'm just using a little bit of that. I'll also be adding some argan oil from Morocco leave-in treatment so that it stays moisturized throughout the day and doesn't dry out so fast. So here I am just brushing up the sides of my hair, going all around my head, and I'm not brushing the curls or all the way down to the end. I'm only brushing halfway up and just putting it in position for the puff. So here I'm just smoothing out the back and the side so that when I go to put my puff up, it's not going to be any flyaways or poofy in the back too. It'll be nice and slick. So here I have an elastic band that I cut in half. I'm just going to place it in the front of my hair, behind my ears, and tie it in the back. Just going to pull it tight around my head, adjusting it in the front, and pulling it as tight as I want it until I feel it secured. Just securing it around the underneath of where I had originally pulled it and trying to. It keeps coming loose because my hair did not want to stay. So once I have that situated, I'll be kind of tying it in the front and tucking it underneath. So now that I have it secured, I'm just fluffing it out again, pulling out the strands that are tucked underneath where I put the band at, and it came out again, so I'm gonna fix that and secure it better by tying a knot and then tucking it underneath the band that's already there. So now I'm just fluffing it out some more, and I'm going to continue to fluff it out and adjust it until I have it to the volume. However you want to put it. I just did it until I was happy with how it looked and felt that it was picked out enough. Lastly, I'll be using Shea Moisture's Extra Moisturizing Hair Milk. This product is really good for keeping my hair moisturized for the rest of the day. I won't have to go back and wet it, and I can just leave it in the sun. So I also added some of my All Natural Styling Foam by Motions. It's just to add some extra moisture for curl definition and some volume as well. So now I'm just grabbing some of the pieces around my face that are just dangling, and I'm twisting them around my finger and using the little curls to frame my face, kind of making bangs in a way, I guess. And I'm just doing that around to make it more of a style. It's, like I said, quick and easy, just something to look good when you're walking out of the house so you don't look crazy. And yeah, so things I raised eyes, going to continue shingling out the curls around my head. I did a couple in the back, couple in the side, and went back to the front and added some more. That's pretty much all there is to this style. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what you guys would like to see next in my future tutorials. I have a lot of things planned. Stay tuned for that.